Hi guys, welcome to part 11 of my video series, Procedures Under Local. Today we're going to talk about the ear lobes. In a previous video series, we talked about otoplasty, which is dealing with protruding ears. Today we're going to talk about all things earlobes. So, several problems can exist with the earlobes. The earring holes may be enlarged or asymmetric. Your earrings may hang in a different mode from the left and the right side. This could be due to wearing heavy earrings, okay, or maybe an allergy to have a certain metal in the earrings. Or you could have a complete split of the earlobe. Maybe a toddler grabbed your earring and tore right through, so your earlobe is bifid or split. The earlobes themselves can also be, just a very enlarged hole or hanging sac of skin due to gauged earlobes. Those were popular many years back, so you may want to have gauged earlobes repaired, or you may have enlarged or pendulous earlobes due to aging. Over time, your earlobes sag, or your earlobes are just always too large for your liking. You want to have an earlobe lift instead of an earlobe repair. All those procedures are easily done under local anesthesia. People rarely need oral sedation unless they're extremely nervous. An earlobe split or enlarged earring holes, basically a small sliver of skin is excised on either side of the split or enlarged earring hole. It's closed with then fine sutures. The result is a very fine scar in the middle of the earlobe, which is barely perceptible. In case of an earlobe, gauged earlobes, the pattern is more of a star-shaped pattern and more intricate sewing, but again, a very fine scar along the earlobe. For an earlobe lift, I may excise a wedge-shaped area of skin in order to reduce the size of the earlobes and lift them, or an ellipse along the base of the earlobe. Fine scar along the base of the earlobe or in the middle of the earlobe, again, barely perceptible. Most healings in the first 7 to 10 days, minimal bruising and swelling. The sutures are removed completely by 10 days, and you can have your ears re-pierced if you so desire at 6 weeks following the procedure. So earlobe repair, earlobe lift, under local anesthesia, gauged earring repair, earlobe repair, all can be done under local anesthesia.